Hello viewers and welcome to usual program Salone Discoveries. Me na una presenter Sylvia Roberts from KID-AFAN. Well, Famboden inside today your program we dey right now Shaka Stephen Street outside the quantity fall, and we can for know exactly what's another situation. On that note, we get for interview plenty people we get for tell we how the situation sound like and if any amendments day we get for happen. Follow me as we discover this together. Hello and welcome to this interview. You name it Udana you sir?
Me na Dr. Francis Kaikai, Minister of Planning and Economic Development.
Alright sir, we see you there around the country 3 way fall yesterday. What's in the situation right now?
Well, myself just can't look. I've been the upline. When I reached last night, I say continuing fall. It was unbelievable. I go on social media, I see some of the pictures of them, and so on. Then I see an important tweet from President Bio. We confirm, say yes, sit down for them. And immediate thinking is, you know, we for do something back at this same spot with very significant for the people of Sierra Leone, the people of the western area, and the people of Freetown. Very important.
All right, sir. So your point of view, where you don't can this morning, you notice say anybody lost in life or any casualty be take place?
Oh no, I'm not here for the casualty because I listen to the radio. One man we witness when it's concentrated actually for them. They say that God make na be net. All man not left here because this is the city center. Normally very crowded during the day, but on net all man don't go home and all of that. So it happened at a quiet time. So we're glad for God in kindness and not happen at the time where we will cause any casualty. So nobody no die. We're not hearing anything like that.
All right, sir. So is there any amendments for this?
Well, like the president don't say, this is a very historic site for Sierra Leone. Cultural heritage-wise, very important. The cotton tree, a huge culture for Sierra Leone. Probably all past Sierra Leone, so they call Sierra Leone. Because the time we cotton tree in there, I'm sure you're not be called Sierra Leone. Yeah, them they call them something else. So we historians them, Now opportunity for me to give you more information on what's going to happen to this site. And then we'll know what's going to happen. Then culturally going forward, we will build something that will be very iconic, because your country is something iconic for Sierra Leone. So this country is something iconic for Candy. I'm not able to know right now waiting, but I will leave that to the imagination of good Sierra Leoneans. More come up with clear suggestions as to how to use this particular area, because it's too important for just left and so.
All right, sir. You get any last message you go want for send to family out there?
Well, what's important also is that we tell God thank you. I mean, after 400 years of existence, it means nothing ever lasts at the end of the day. You know, so we for learn lessons from this. For say whatever we do, Lord make sure say we do it properly. Lord take care of the environment, because we see the closest building to this cotton tree now, this Nassit building, and I no more get problem and all of that. The other one in the far, luckily on that side for them. So we've learned a lot of lessons from this, and I think say for Sierra Leone, now history this we all don't see, and all of that. I hope say going forward, we all go see what's in the happen and plan for this place. And a very historic also, it happened at this point in time where they go for elections and re-election of President Bill. I understand that in poster, I don't see so. They survived. Nothing happened to them. Now this place, that's too significant for me. It is show continuity, it is show longevity, and I think say we for learn lesson from that. Because if such a country for them around this area, it caused some damage around. Then it left President Bill poster intact. That is speak volumes. It means Sierra Leone, we for be careful. We get a leader, we for be careful. Lord will not be in rush for change or anything like that. Now that's what I mean. And by God in power, we could think very hard. For see what thing we put now, we could be very long lasting. You know, like Sierra Leone itself.
All right, plenty thank you to you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Your name and what are you, sir?
Good morning, I'm Engineer Alfred Momodu, Deputy Director General Sierra Leone Roads Authority.
All right, sir. We see you there around the country we don't fall yesterday. We want to let you tell viewers looking at the situation right now.
Well, the situation is very obvious. One of the cultural heritages then don't come down as a result of a very serious storm. I mean, it is happening, but however, the fall caused a lot of obstruction, and I mean, from our own perspective, we rose and day for make people they move and get access. But as we see now, because of this fall, that's not happening. So then I have to make sure say the roads and cleared, so people will go about their normal business.
All right, sir. So you get any message you want for send to family out there?
Well, I think this is a sad situation. That's not one. In as much as the storm, I can't drop them. But one thing where family for member now how they deal with the trees there. We all go remember say on several occasions we can meet fire inside, and then turn it on. I don't burn the fabric of the stick. So when small breeze come, be able for drop them. Obviously, this tree old we agree. But if it not being weakened by all the activities around them, then if we're able for the snap up to this point. So again, I just go on from and know say then trees and when they out there, I'll be careful how they cut trees them and how they deal with the environment.
All right, plenty thank you to you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Well, Fambo then, remember say we still learn at the quantity and we still get information from prominent people. We'll get for tell we exactly what can happen and any amendments they wouldn't get for do where this quantity are done for them. Follow me as we still discover. Hello and welcome to this interview. Your name and what are you, sir?
Yeah, it's a pleasure. Me and Mr. Saidou Doumbouya, member of the Disaster Management Committee, Central.
All right, Mr. Doumbouya, as member of the Disaster Management Committee, right now you're there around the country. You go tell Fambo there exactly what's in the situation.
Well, at least from yesterday we get a call, say continue down for them, and if we don't learn, we say whenever disaster happen, we come to the call, and we come at least we see say the response is so good. People incorporate, people volunteer. We see the military, the fire force, the city council, and even deputy leaders every day. So, and as you see presently, I mean, it's appreciable. By the end of the day, we don't cover everything. So the cooperation we see we really clearly. This is a national call we always will respond to. And I not say in the future leaders are going to know exactly what they're going to do with the ski and what they're going to plant now. So.
All right, so where Onaka, you notice say any casualty be take place or anybody be lost in life?
No, not get any loss of life, you know. We just see actually see around the Nasit area, small damage take place there, you know. AFANfilms skirmishes, but we thank God at least life no loss, you know. We thank God. Even the motorcycle will become approach at the scene. God be help him as it's in the forum, so nothing happen with him. So we tell God thank you.
So Famode go really want for know if now the breeze will come yesterday for this quantity.
No, yes, not the breeze. You know, we all can remember the quantity we don't get fire. And I believe it's one of the effects. And in the future, we the advocates say, maybe they watch and they say, like somebody get arthritis. If the tick under don't begin the rotting, the branch them, we begin to come, it fall. So now, I believe personally happy in Paris also. So now the breeze exactly, and not so no more because so many destructions around the mountain cuts, you know, and pole them drop, can down, high tension cable them drop, and our ability to other side and back gets problem. So the authorities them for them be proactive, for the watch them tick there, so don't they get them tick so in problem. Casually, usually don't they happen. So now the breeze.
All right, sir. So you go get any last word where you go want for sense of family that we go for listen and watch this program.
Yeah, we actually develop the culture of volunteerism. Now part of a national pledge, you know, when short kind thing happen, now concern accident, short kind thing, and we ask the authority maybe be proactive. We don't get disaster them from the fire incidents to Wellington. Then think they are so all over the country them, including the bridges them. The one they were responsible, make them go and make sure say they observe them place and they for prevent future problems them. We tell thank you to una the crew and if we come and voice we out so the people they see. We tell una thank you back.
All right, plenty thank you to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, it's a pleasure.
Hello, yeah, welcome to this interview. Your name is sir?
My name is Majid Aminu and I'm aspiring candidate for NGC in the Western area.
All right, sir, as an aspiring candidate for the NGC, you did around the quantity where fall. What do you think caused this fall of the country, sir?
I don't know, but I guess it's the wind because the rain was heavy last night. I don't live too far from here. I live in the central district. But I now make a come, I say I can see what's in the happen. But I guess the wind, the heavy wind yesterday will happen, the rain, I make it fall, you know.
So is there any mechanisms where as an aspiring candidate you don't put in place for this situation?
No, well really, that's kind of I can see like I witness an historic thing like this because this tree don't be here for over 236 years. That history is part of our life, and we now can see something like this happen. It's very sad. So when I make myself come, I can pay me respect to the cotton tree. You know, so very, very important situation, you know.
So is there any negative effects where this quantity don't fall?
I don't think so because I don't think it's any. I don't know. I'm not able to say negatively. I say maybe because it don't hold. I don't know. Maybe it was not properly taken care of. I don't know. But now we don't fall. So we just pray God for saying a good sign for a beginning of a better Sierra Leone. That's the way I want to look at it. Positive.
So you get any message you go want for saying to family that we get for listening and watch this program?
Well, I would say, this is not history. I know happen so. Very sad now life. It's like a great thing. Whether after 236 years we deal with something and we miss them. So let's pray for saying a good sign for a better future. That's the only thing I can say.
All right, plenty thank you to you, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Well, family, I want to say plenty thank you for where una take una time for follow me for do this discovery. As una don't hear it from the people now this exactly will happen. And on that note, I want to say plenty thank you to my executive producer, Dr. Aisatuka Kejalo, and my camera operator, Mohamed Sky Bangura. So till we meet again, me now presenter, Sylvia Roberts from KID-AFAN Discoveries.